Congratulations on finishing the course. I want to thank you for allowing me the opportunity to guide you through this adventure of getting into game development and building interactive cutscenes using Timeline and Cinemachine in Unity. I hope you leave this course with a newfound passion for game development and a better understanding of game programming in C#. I hope you feel more confident with Unity and can continue growing your skills to become a seasoned C# game developer. Once you've completed this course, you should continue developing your games, adding your own customizations, such as extending levels, adding more difficult obstacles, and using the asset store to polish your game. This is how people learn to code, by doing. You can also continue building cutscenes by just browsing the asset store and finding quality animations. You're only limited to your imagination. If you haven't yet, head on over to connect.unity.com, where you can get inspired by what others have made with Unity. On Unity Connect, you'll find options to read articles, view job postings, and browse the show-off section of some of the amazing work in progress thousands of developers are working on right now. Also, please check out my website, gamedevjohn.com, for information about new courses, as well as to stay connected with the game development world. At GameDevJohn, I've created a learning environment dedicated to the success of my students. Students participate in monthly game jams, create devlogs, write indie game reviews, and most importantly, build and maintain a portfolio. I want to say thank you again for taking this course, and I look forward to seeing you in the game dev community.